Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G502 X Plus. In this video I'll show you what is the G Shift and how to configure it. Logitech G Shift is a special feature within Logitech G HUB, thanks to which with one press of the key you can completely change the mouse layout. In order to set up it, firstly let's go to Logitech G HUB, select G Shift and now remap the buttons. Next, in default layout, select button you would like to assign G Shift to. Let's go to System and select G Shift. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.